Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you exactly how to create an hollow cylindrical object. By the end of this video, you will know everything you need to get started to create a hollow cylindrical object. Now, let me show you an example of what I mean by a cylindrical object. You can see this right here. This is a cylindrical object which was created many years ago, or should I say a few months ago. So, although it's an assignment from our academy. Now let's get started. First of all, to be able to achieve a cylindrical object, I've showed you just now, you first of all select the top plane, click on sketch, pick your cycle and start from the origin. Drag your cursor and drop. Accept. Then you specify dimension. So we are going to use 100 mm. Okay. Accept. Then we go ahead to use our extrude boss tools or extrude boss feature. So click on it and then you can see what we have here. Then you select the height of the cylindrical objects. So I'll give it 150 mm. Then accept. Although this object is not hollow, so how do we go about making it hollow? So we go about making it hollow by clicking on the top surface of the cylinder, click on sketch, then we select our cycle and also start from origin, drag and drop. Okay, then you select our smart dimension and give it a dimension of 80. Okay, accept. Then we go ahead to use our extruded cut features. Then you can select the depth of the cuts. So I will select 130. Okay, then you accept. So right now we have a hollow cylindrical object. Although we are not yet done, what's remaining is to give it a fillet around the edge of the cycle. Okay, click on fillets. So click on this edge here and accept. Okay, same applies for the bottom of the cylinder. Fillets, click here, but this time around I'm giving it 5. Enter. Okay, so right now we have this cylindrical objects. I hope you get what I've done in this video. Alright, that is it for today. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.